I'm in 20 kilohertz field program. Gain is up high. Audio gain is 1. I'm in a pretty trashy spot here. Deeper target here. Is it a coin? I think it's a coin on this edge. It's a coin on this edge right there. Right there. It's right there. Nope, it's a twist top. Twist top right there. Aluminum. Oh, junk. My tone breaks at 15. Something near the surface here. I'll go for it. Come on, baby. I just saw a coin. There. It's a nickel? Yeah, it's a nickel. Right there. Boom. 5 cents. $20 kilohertz here. Oh boy, it's really hard here. Deeper on this target here. Try to. At least I'm not around the really bad roots. It should be right there. Oh, it's junk. It's something small, probably a lighter flint wheel or something. Is that it right there? No. This might be really hard to find. Right there, it's not even hitting it. Now, it's a bottle cap. Wasn't even hitting it because it's being tone braked out. Right? See what? Tone braked out. Yeah, it's tone braked out. Because I'm at 15 tone brake, 14 or 15, something like that. Yeah, it's going deep. Let's get another twist top. It's a pull tab right there. Sounding like pennies, right? These pull tabs just sound high for some reason. A lot of pull tabs sound high with this new version 1.09. I don't know why. I'm working with it. I'm working with it. I am in a single frequency, 20 kilohertz. The higher frequencies it'll hit on this pull tabs really good. Oh boy. Dry. Jumping around a little bit here. Oh boy. Coin ball. Yeah, coin ball right there. Coin, penny. Junky tone here. Oh boy, it's another twist top. It's another pull tab right there. Right, they just sound high. These are kind of big pull tabs, but I am in 20 kilohertz, so I just got to keep that in mind. It's going to hit on these pull tabs really good, but I'm in 60 tone. So, just pull tabs everywhere here. New one, fresh drop right on the ground, on the surface there. Come on, get down there. Right there. Oh, there's roots. humongous root right there. Twist top. Boy, I'm glad that wasn't underneath all those roots there. Right. Oh, soft ground here. A coin ball? Doesn't feel, no, it's not. It's not a coin ball. It's a pull tab right there. Oh boy, I'm in for a big problem here because these roots. I might not even continue. No, I'm not going to continue that plug there. It's too hard. I'm not going to fight the roots right now. Shoot. I'm not going to fight the roots. I'm gonna go to 10 kilohertz here. This one's a nice tone here. Nice tone. It's junk, right? Yes, it sounds junky now. Oh boy, it's right on the surface. All to get it from the bottom. I don't want to destroy the ground there. I don't want to destroy grass. It sounds junky. It's not. It's a coin. Right there. See, I wasn't hitting it very good. The 10 kilohertz wasn't getting through my soil very good. Right? It was a coin near the surface, but when I popped the plug out, it wasn't really penetrating the soil there very good. 10 kilohertz. Some foil here right on the surface. Coin right on the surface. Nope, it's a ring. Right there, it's a ring. Look at that. Oh, a freaking honker too. Oh, a big honker. Oh, dude. Oh, it's a honker, man. Look at that. Freaking found a ring today in the park. Yeah. Freaking bring it on. It's a honker. I don't think it's silver. It just doesn't appear to be silver. No. It's not silver. No. No. Still a ring though. Yeah, man. Got a ring. Right? Just gotta keep on pushing on. There's some foil right there. It's plastic. Still pick it up though. Smack the ring out, man. Next to stage. I'm not really super close to stage, but oh, this is a deeper one here. There used to be a humongous tree right here. Used to be a big tree. They cut it down about 4 or 5 years ago. Oh, these roots. Come on. Come out there. Oh, I just destroyed the plug. Something really junky here. Oh, these roots are gonna make it hard for it to get this target out here. Right there. Come on, baby. There's more jewelry here. That'd be awesome. Nope. It's part of a fence clip, some aluminum right there. My tone breaks at 15, so all this foil is going to give me low tones. 10 kilohertz. Go deep on this one. Hope I don't hit too many weeds here. This is a really deep one here. 10 kilohertz. Sounds junky. It's a bottle cap. Right there. It's a bottle cap. Yep. Completely wasted bottle cap. A goner. That was an iffy tone though too. Screamer. Screamer right here. Dime. Come on, baby. Oh boy. This ground here is a lot harder than it looks. I just cannot dig plugs with my hand digger in this soil because it's so hard. I'll wear myself out if I try to dig holes with a hand digger. Right there, it's a penny. Copper. Yep. Right. If I couldn't use my shovel in my city, I wouldn't be metal detecting. I'll be knitting. I'll be knitting, or I would have a food channel, pretty much. If I wasn't able to use a shovel right here, I'll be freaking screwed, right? There's no freaking way in hell you can metal detect in the summertime with one of these, just one of these in my area. The clay is so freaking hard, right? For you guys who can't hunt in parks or who can't hunt in schools, man, it's just sad. And we should be able to clean up the parks. You know, I pick up a lot of trash, and we're doing the community a service. We're doing the parks a service by cleaning up junk, right? We're cleaning up junk. And we should continue, we should have that right to use the park. You know, we're not killing the grass, we're not hurting the grass. We're doing good. We're aerating the soil. And we're finding rings too, right? Junk rings, but thank you for watching.